squash marrow, kusa with chicken, tomatoes, ginger, green chilies, garlic, onions, cinnamon stick, black pepper, black cardamom, cloves. Add green chilies, ginger, tomatoes in a bowl and make puree. Fry onion and garlic. Add cumin, garam masala. Mix and fry well. Add chicken when onions and garlic gets golden. Add salt, red pepper, turmeric, coriander powder. Mix and fry well. Add some water. Add tomato, chili puree. Mix and fry well. Add remaining puree. Add squash, marrow. Mix and fry well. Add enough water to cook. Serve and enjoy.